Building a portfolio website is essential for video editors and graphic designers looking to showcase their work and attract new clients. A well-designed site can serve as both a creative display and a professional resume, highlighting your skills and unique style. In this guide, we'll walk you through the steps of creating a portfolio website that reflects your abilities and helps you stand out in a competitive creative industry. The idea behind building a portfolio website is to create a centralized platform where all your best work is easily accessible in one place. Whether you're a freelancer or a creative professional seeking full-time employment, having a dedicated site allows you to present your work in a visually compelling way. A portfolio website provides more control over how you display your projects compared to social media profiles, which can oftentimes limit your ability to showcase your work in a professional context. Moreover, a website is a representation of your brand. It's the digital equivalent of your business card, giving potential clients or employers a first impression of who you are as a creative professional. The reasons many video editors and graphic designers opt to build their own portfolio websites is to establish credibility and, more importantly, professionalism. In an industry where trust and reliability are crucial, having a website shows that you can take your work seriously and are invested in maintaining a professional online presence. When clients are searching for creatives, they're more likely to trust somebody with a dedicated portfolio site rather than someone whose work is scattered across their social media platforms. Furthermore, building a portfolio site allows you to position yourself as an expert in your field, offering insight into your creative process and showcasing your versatility and the ability to adapt to different project types. Building a portfolio website provides a long-term platform for growth. As you continue to add new products to your portfolio, it serves as a living resume that grows with your experience. Unlike printed portfolios or static resumes, a website can continuously be updated with your newer work and your latest projects, keeping your profile fresh and relevant. This ability to expand and adapt your portfolio over time helps you stay competitive in a rapidly evolving creative industry, ensuring that potential clients or employers see the most current examples of your talent and expertise. Now that we've talked about the reasons behind getting started with a portfolio website, let's show you how to do so. The best way to get started with a portfolio website is starting with a website builder like Wix. You can get started with Wix for completely free, no purchase necessary. Make sure you use the link down in the description below to follow along in this tutorial so you don't make any mistakes. First thing you want to do is head down to the description and click the link for Wix. Once you click that link, you should be taken to this page here. The first thing you want to do is enter in your email address and then hit the Start Now button. Once we hit the Start Now button, it'll then take us to the sign up page. This is where we'll create a quick little password and then confirm that password and then hit the sign up button. Once we've done all of that, we'll then officially be inside of Wix. Now, the first thing it's going to do is take us through a series of questions before we start building our website. These questions are going to tailor the actual website building process specifically to your needs, whether you're a portfolio designer, a business website designer, or an agency. As you can see, the first question they're asking us is, who are you creating a website for? We can say either for myself, my business, or a friend, or for a client, a freelancer, or an agency. For the sake of this video, we'll say that we're creating a website for myself. We'll hit the continue button, which will then take us to this page. And this is one of the best parts about Wix. We can create websites completely from scratch using nothing but artificial intelligence. This artificial intelligence is extremely capable and creates some amazing looking websites in the process. First things first, we'll hit the start chat button and then we can start writing in our answer. Now, the first question it's asking us is, what is our site all about? We'll say that we're creating a photography portfolio site to showcase our work for future clients in the portrait industry. Make sure everything's spelled correctly and then hit the enter button. Once you hit the enter button, the AI will then process our answer and then give us a few more outputs. The next question it's going to ask us is, what is the name of your photography business? I'll say that it is Stunning Photos LLC or something like that. It could be just about anything. You don't have to make it overcomplicated. What type of portrait services do you offer? We'll say that we offer headshots and professional profile pictures. Once you've input all of that, then it will ask us, do you have any specific branding or marketing goals for your photography business, such as increasing bookings or expanding your client base? I'll say, yes, we want a booking page for clients, and then hit the enter button. Next question it'll ask us is, what is your business history and how did you get started in the photography business? We'll say that we've been doing it for 7+ years of experience and we love taking photos. We'll then hit the enter button. As you can see, it says you're all set. Next, let's go to your personalized dashboard where you'll find tailor-made setup steps, the best template selection, and customized text. We'll then click the go to dashboard button. And now it's beginning to create our website with artificial intelligence. We'll wait a few seconds for this to fully load and we'll be ready to start editing our website. And just like that, we are inside of Wix's website editor. The first thing it's going to do is take you to this page, which is the dashboard. This is going to give you a quick setup tutorial on some basic things that that you need to get started with. Things like adding a project to your portfolio, setting up shipping and delivery, setting up a payment method, designing our website, and setting up search engine optimization. Now, for the sake of this video, I want to show you how to actually start editing the website. So we're going to click on design your website. Once we click on this, it will then take us to the website editor. Once we're inside of this portion, we need to either pick between generating a design with artificial intelligence or using a custom template. We'll go ahead and just pick a template. We're now officially inside of Wix's template store. Their template store has a ton of different templates that we can choose from. I'm going to go ahead and go with any of these. We'll go with the photographer option and then hit the edit button. It'll take a few seconds to load this in. And just like that, we are inside of Wix's website editor. They're also going to be adding that booking page that we talked about earlier. This is again another big benefit of using artificial intelligence. It remembers everything we told it, and now it's importing that directly onto a website as well as customizing it to match our brand. And just like that, we are inside of the Wix website editor. This is our portfolio site. This is the home page here. And as you can see, it's really easy to start making edits. We can simply do the quick edit button and start making changes to the section background. We can change things like the title. We can make it bold, italic, or underline it. We can also mess with the alignment and mess with the bullets and numbering, as well as the paragraph and a host of other options. As you can see, it's pretty easy to do and it's pretty intuitive. If we want to add anything to this website, like a new page, for instance, we'll go up to the top here with this little plus button. Once we click the plus button, this is the add elements button. We can add just about anything you can think of, whether it's a new heading, titles, paragraphs, collapsible text, text marquee, or even text mask. There's also a bunch of other things like images, buttons, strips, decorative options, and boxes and galleries. We can add any of these by simply going into it, clicking on it, and then dragging it onto our website. As you can see, it even gives us an align tool to make sure that everything is nice and centered and looks proper. We'll go ahead and place this button right here above the actual portrait, and then we can start messing around with this button. We can change the text on the button, the color of the button, and make it say different things. We can also make this button link back to different types of websites or entirely different parts of the internet. If we want to make any more edits, we can also go to the left here and add things like sections. Sections are a great way of dispersing your website's overall content into different portions. We can add a welcome here section. We can add another section with our products, or a section even with our booking. There's also this page here, which is our site pages menu. This is how we can see a broke down version of every single part of our website. Then if we go down here, we can also mess with the overall site design. This can be just about anything from the color themes, text themes, page backgrounds, and a host of other options. There's also this option here, which is the Wix app market. This is where we can add third-party plugins and add even more functionality to our portfolio website. And then of course there's settings, where we can just mess with our business settings and make small but important changes here. Once we're done with our website and we think everything looks good, we'll go to the very top here and hit the save button. Once we hit the save button, it'll then make sure that we get our free Wix domain and then hit save and continue. Once we do that, we'll then go up to the publish button and then hit the publish button to make our website officially be accessible. This means that anybody on the internet with the URL can officially start visiting our website and interact with it. And that's pretty much it. It's never been easier to start building a website, and doing it with Wix is how to do it for completely free. If you guys want more features and access to more advanced features, I would definitely recommend getting started with one of Wix's higher tier plans. It's one of the easiest ways to do so, and plus they have some really great features and pricing plans available. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe so you never miss any of our future videos, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next one.